welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing this look. So this is my birthday makeup look because it's my birthday. We're gonna party like it's my birthday. You heard it right, guys. It's my birthday today. So I decided to do this look. So if you're interested to know how I did this look, just keep on watching. First, guys, is nag-moisturize na ako ng face. And magmo-moisturize na din ako ng lips. Next is I will going to put some primer. So I'm going to use this Airborne Pink Perfect Cream. So I'm going to use this foundation. So next natin maglagay ng setting powder is I will going to do my kilay. So I will going to use this one. It's a Deep Pro Pomade by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Hindi siya perfect, guys, but feeling ko mas better yung kilay ko today kaysa nung mga nakaraang mga tutorials ko. I don't know. Baka feeling ko lang yon. Next, guys, is we're going to clean the edges. Let's clean it with a concealer. So next, guys, is mag-eyeshadow muna tayo. Mag-eyeshadow muna ako bago mag-contour and everything dito sa face. Uunahin ko muna yung eyeshadows. So I will going to use this palette. So, for the last part, yung lalagay natin dito sa may bandang, sa may gitna, and here, yung parang shiny effect. I'm going to use this palette. So, I'm going to use this shade right here. It's called Angelique. Parang hindi pa ako kontento guys sa parang shiny effect niya. So, let's going to put some Root. So, lalagdagan ko pa siya guys kasi parang hindi pa ako kontento sa parang nilagay kong parang shimmery effect dito sa my eyelid ko. So, I'm going to put this Starlit liquid to. And then, I'm going to dub. Supposed to do a Halloween makeup guys, but wala na, it's a fail because wala na akong time and editing pa, and then it takes a lot of effort para mag-edit ng mga ganitong videos. So, next is mag-eyeliner na tayo. I'm going to use this eyeliner from Kat Von D, my favorite. Done with my eyeliner guys. Yan, we're almost done. Konti na lang. Maglalagay tayo ng some eyelashes. Guys, nalagay ko na yung eyelashes natin. So, next is tatakpan lang natin yung parang white, yung glue something na white para talaga maganda siya tignan. And then guys, maglalagay tayo ng mascara para mag-mix talaga yung dalawang eyelashes natin. Mag-stick siya together para parang hindi siya mukhang fake. Char, hindi siya mukhang fake. Next guys is maglalagay tayo ng black eyeliner dito sa may waterline area natin sa may bandang taas. we're done with our eyes. So, babalik tayo sa kilay natin, kilay ko, kasi I forgot to put some parang mascara para mag-stay in place yung kilay ko, kasi yung kilay ko is not that good. I'm going to use this They're Real tinted primer. So primer siya, para siya sa pilik mata, but then ginagawa ko siyang pang mascara din, pang kilay din. So same lang yan. So dito na tayo sa face area natin. Tapos na yung medyo mahirap na part, yung sa bandang mata at saka sa kilay. So dito sa face area natin is parang medyo madali na lang siya. So magko-contour na ako. I'm going to use this Film Star Bronze and Glow by Charlotte Tilbury. This one. Next is maglalagay tayo dito sa nose area natin, ang pinaka-importanting part, para medyo mukhang matangos naman ng konti yung ilong natin. Kasi hindi tayo binayaan ng matangos na ilong, so dayain na lang natin. To use this brush pang powder, and then parang ginaganyan ko siya, pinipisat ko siya. Medyo extra yung mga ginagamit nating palette for today because it's my birthday. So for my blush on, guys, is I'm going to use this one, this shade here, this one. It's called Undefeated, I think. Next, guys, is my favorite part of this makeup session ba, is putting some highlighter. So I'm going to use this highlighter right here from this palette, and then I'm going to use this brush for the highlight. We're just going to put here sa parang cheekbone area mo, and then up here, I think. Yan, paakyat. And then let's put a little bit here sa my nose. So last part, guys, is we're going to put some powder. I'm going to use this powder. It's called Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder. So mahaba yung pangalan niya. And ito siya, guys. Yan. last but not the least, so magli-lipstick na tayo. I'm going to use this Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury again. This one. So, ang ganda ng packaging niya. Ang ganda ng mga packaging ng mga Charlotte Tilbury pang sosyalin. So, ito yung shade niya. So, lalagyan natin yung shimmer effect. Yan. Para it looks like so extra talaga. Bongacious talaga. So, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty Lip Strobe. This one. So, parang meron siyang mga glittery effect. Last is we're going to spray this Beauty Elixir facial spray from Caudalie or Caudalie. So I'm done with my look. This is my look for my birthday. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you love it. And if yes, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe sa channel ko if you're not yet subscribed. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you again next time. Bye guys!
What I am trying to do